Hey everyone, so just a couple weeks ago Canon released their newest model that's coming out. They gave all the full specs to it, the Canon EOS R5. Okay, now this camera is highly anticipated. It's almost kind of a dream camera for a lot of people, but let me tell you why I'm not buying the EOS R5. First off, I mean, let's go through the specs. Specs are great. It does 8K RAW internal recording, 30 frames a second, 8K 10-bit with Canon C-Log, 4K internal recording up to 120 frames a second with no crop in 8K or 4K, dual pixel autofocus and C-Log through all of those. Pretty amazing camera for what it is. The thing is though, is the price tag on it is going to be a little crazy. So they're talking anywhere between $3,500 to $4,500 for this camera, which is a lot for a camera like that, considering you can get the, Panasonic S1H, that's kind of at that starting price of what they're talking about here, with similar specs. Now that doesn't have 8K, but I would assume that the next model of those does. But the other thing is we really need to keep an eye out on, everybody's focused on full frame. Panasonic's going to be releasing something in the near future, the GH6. When the specs come out with that, there's going to be a lot more to talk about, so I'll definitely post a video about that. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on the EOS R5, whether or not you really think it's worth an upgrade, if it's something that you're going to be buying, or if you're going to stick with your Panasonic cameras, or maybe, the new Sony, what is it, the Alpha 4 is coming out, and then the Nikon has a Z30 coming out. So all of these 8K cameras that are going to be coming out, whether you really think it's necessary to upgrade to an 8K camera, leave comments down below. We'll have a conversation about it, and make sure you subscribe and like the channel,